Are you at a loss of what to do with a surplus of citrus? Let's turn that problem into a solution with these easy tips. The first thing you want to do when you're getting ready to harvest citrus is to put on extra long gloves because citrus plants have thorns and they're ouchy. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a harvesting vessel that's large enough to hold all of your harvest. You also want to make sure that you have clean, sharp shears, as the pull and twist method may actually damage your fruit. Links to all these products will be in the description below. If you're smart and you plan ahead with neighboring gardeners, you can trade your excess harvest for theirs. Another great use of your excess harvest is to research local food banks or other charitable organizations that may accept that as a donation. Once you've collected all of your citrus, you want to make sure to give it a good scrub with a vegetable brush. It is a good idea to reserve your vegetable brush for only this task, so that way you will avoid cross-contamination. Once your citrus is all nice and clean, get your favorite zester out and zest the rind onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. Parchment's going to save you a lot of frustration in the future. Now I have a lot more zesting to do, but I really find this fine grade of zest works best for any culinary purpose I may need for it, be it cookies or breads or teas. The fine zest is really going to release all of its citrus goodness into your culinary creations. Once you're done zesting, simply place this into your oven at the lowest temperature. There's no need to preheat. Just simply grab a bit with your fingers to test and see if it's done. If you choose to go with the peels rather than the zests route, those are going to be thicker pieces and may take longer to dry, but it's the same process. The key word here is to dry, not cook your zest. And once it's done, simply store it in an airtight jar. Here you can see I have a mixture of both the zest and the peels. As it's the same citrus type, I just keep them together in the same jar. Now we have some sad, naked citrus fruit, so let's juice them. Once you have your citrus juiced, I like to store them in these 2-cup freezable containers. That way I can store them in my freezer, and each time I need some, bring it into my refrigerator so I have a fresh batch that I can use for whatever I need. I've found that if I use this process, I have fresh, quote unquote, citrus juice to last me throughout the year. Don't forget to label your lid so that way you know what this mysterious juice is. So now you have both juice and zest that you can use in a multitude of ways, be it tea or cookies or a fruity cocktail, or even like air freshener or beauty products. Want to find out how I got into this problem in the first place? Watch this video, linked in the description below, on how I grew my very easy and favorite citrus fruit, the ring pearl lime.